this is Shannon with Chic and Sassy Nails by Shannon. I am getting home from a vendor event today, so it's a little bit later, but I did get my November subscription box. So we are going to do an unveiling. I am not going to have time, nor I do not have bare nails right now to show if a set is sheer or not, so that'll have to be a different video, but I'll try to do that in a couple days after my event. So that is the plan. I was just going to look. I don't even remember the name of the theme of this one. Rustic Heritage, I believe is what it was called, if I'm not mistaken. So this is the November box, Rustic Heritage, if I'm getting that right. So this is a fair warning that we are going to do an unboxing of the Color Street ColorPlay November subscription box. Alright, so if you don't want to see what's in it, don't watch any further. Alright, I have not looked at this. I did get it right. Rustic Heritage. Alright, let's see here. Let me open this up. Alright, I'm trying to do all this. I am not going to look at all this yet. Let's see what we have here. We're going to start with, well, let's see what we have. Oh my goodness. Holy, there's 5 full five full strips and decals. Oh, these are cool. These are art appliques. They're like little lacy ones. Look, there's two of like everything. For those of you who like symmetry, there's 3 of this one. Look at that though. These are cute. They're like white little lacy. Oh, I like them. That's kind of fun. Okay. Alright, first set. I don't know if these have names on the back. Blue Dove. These do have names on the back. Alright, this is giving me Beach House Blue vibes with that kind of strong stripe ombre. It's actually like, it's very geometric. I kind of think it's on purpose. It's like a block. I don't even know if I'd call it an ombre because of how it's made. It doesn't look like it's meant to be like a soft, like a gradation. Sorry, I'm turning it towards myself. It is a slate blue, I would say, not as dark though as like Slate of Mind. Is that what that was called? Alright, so there's this one. It's the slate color. I have weird shadows when I'm doing this today. Alright. Ooh, I'm assuming this is the clear overlay. This is Prairie Picnic. Oh, it's cute. I'm sorry. I like this. I like these little blue and kind of slate gray leaves. So this is the little leaf pattern that matches the box. Ooh, here. Let's see if I can. Okay, hold on. Okay. So there, assuming this is a clear overlay, let me see what the, I don't know, I guess I don't know the code for overlays. I think it is. Okay, so those look nice together. And then this is, let's see what this is called. Fair Fawn. Okay, it's like a brown ombre. Now this is a softer ombre, but still kind of, this one is more like the Crystal Coral Couture, Coral, is that what it was called? And the Beach House Blues, where it has kind of a harsh line, but this is more of a ombre versus, I feel like this is definitely more like a geometric solid block. Different, kind of cool. Let me see. I forgot. Oh, there's Chula. Oh my gosh, there's so many sets. Alright, these are kind of cool. Feathered Dream. So this one, oh, here, this is a better, let's look at it this way. Okay, so here, Feathered Dream is, well, it doesn't remind me of anything that we've had. Oh, it's very different. This kind of similar to like, what's it called? Oh, Gratitude is Everything. I have like all my sets at my vendor event, so I can't compare anything right now. So we will do another video with opening these and comparing things, but so far these are the sets. I And then there's one last. I'm assuming this is a glitter overlay. This is very pretty. Kind of looks very similar to Champagne Sugar to me, except it is more of a coppery gold or copper color versus that true kind of yellowy gold. Very pretty. It looks like the sparse glitter overlay. Let's see if I got these right. I'm gonna look at the descriptions of all these sets, but I like them. I like the palette. I like the palette together. I think it's very pretty. It's definitely different. I like that they're doing more colored overlays. I like the little cute decals. I have no idea how. Let's look at what the looks like. The looks look like. Okay, that's cool. So I like the harsh ombre. So like Sea Glass Shores and what's the blue one? I said it like 3 times earlier in this video and now I just blanked on it. Oh my gosh. Whatever the blue one is that I can't think of right now. With that harsher line, an overlay, like the any of our clear nail art over it, I love it with that because it hides that like sharp contrast, but these decals are basically doing that same thing, which I also think is cool. So all right, meet the strips. So Feather Dream says appreciate nature with the abstract feather design over a shimmery light brown. Dove Blue, oh wait, a slate blue syrup shade evoking a clear country sky. They call it syrup. That's what they did with those other ones, didn't they? Oh, Beach House Blues. Jeez, I totally just came back into my head. Why did they call these syrup? I never understood that. Anyway, it looks like lighter blue. In the picture, it definitely looks white. And that's not what it looks like in person. So we'll have to see what that looks like on. Fair Fawn, a chocolate syrup shade for a vintage look. Bohemian Beauty, so that's the glitter. Find joy in the little things with layering. This autumnal glitter clear overlay over your custom mani. And then Prairie Picnic, pick wildflowers along the prairie. Here, that's this one. With this delicate olive leaf pattern on a clear overlay. So 2 clear overlays, 2 of these kind of syrup, whatever they call it, why they're calling those ombres, and then the Feather Dream, which is that pattern. So the looks they're suggesting, which I don't think most of us do, is the brown with the glitter overlay. Oh, that's cute. This has like everything over it. I can't even see. Oh, that pattern over this is super, super subtle. I mean, you're not going to be able to even see that on here. They're using the 2 of these on top of the Feather Dream, which is not going to show up very well. It's very subtle. But the glitter over the feather design, and this is showing the nail. So this is this one here, which is a lot better to see there. So that link has been broken, and whatever, they know it's broken, so I've tried to get them to fix it. But anyway, all right, so I love that it's 5 full sets of strips. I like the color palette personally. I haven't actually heard what people think of this one. Some of the stylists I've seen, they really like it, or I've heard. I haven't heard from you guys yet because I just got home and I just opened it. So all right, here they are, the Rustic Heritage collection from Color Street. This is the November box. Remember, the December box is called Galactic Gala, and sign up for that. Will end the end of November. All right, you guys have a great day. Thank you. Bye bye.